work, just had my morning meeting. I had to take that from the car. There was a ton of traffic. There was a really bad accident involving a motorcycle, a truck, and another car. That was bad. Working out with Ashley, Ken, and Kelsey later. Hopefully we don't run. I still forgot my running shoes. I keep forgetting those. I really hope we don't run. My shins just can't handle that anymore. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Back at work, my cough is kind of coming back again pretty fiercely, and hopefully I don't annoy all my colleagues. They want me to go home again like yesterday. Whoop, definitely don't need that. Puppies.
You're really bad mom. I should take them closer to me.
Once around like the
half? Or the whole thing?
Twice, hasn't he?
Don't embarrass me.
So that was 15 front and rack sandbag squats, 15 GHDs, 200 meter run. First 15 minutes was the lighter sandbag for 15 reps, and then the last 5 was heavy sandbag. That was like 120. It hurt a lot.
That just shows me I need to do running wads more. I don't know the last time I did a running wad, and I was struggling.
That's why I wanted to run.
Yeah.
I was like, man, I suck at running.
Like, I'll run miles, but if it comes to like running and then moving, I'm just like done.
Good stuff. Good
Nasty.
stuff.
Have you done thrusters with those?
No.
Oh, they're gnarly.
Thrusters with those? Isn't that what you were doing?
Yeah, because someone's like, oh, do the workout. They're like, do it with a sandbag instead of a barbell, the last one. And I was like, oh, I wonder how that feel. But even that 30 kilo bag, there was just no way.
Yeah.
There's no way I'd be able to do that many. The barbell, just like you can hold a barbell with no tension, right? Like, you really don't need tension. Here, like you've got to have tension like from the inside all the way out just to hold it.
Yeah.
Barbell, it could stay here. Nothing is on, you're just like, oh, I'm good, until you have to press it up.
All right, so I'll work out. Got to work out with Jackie today. Everyone else didn't show up. Ken's got work, Kelsey's got some meetings, and then Ashley, I think, is just a little fried. And then because the other two didn't want to show up, Ashley just I think Ashley worked out at home, actually. Nice for Jackie to be here. Solid workout. It's Thursday, so nothing too strenuous, basically just active recovery. Now I'm actually headed to Palo Alto to see Frankie. I don't know if anyone watching this remembers, he is my very, very close friend, basically a brother to me, who a couple of years back was diagnosed with leukemia. He's battled back. It's quite amazing where he was to where he is now. He's just a beast. Like all around, he always kept a positive attitude, always kept to his faith, even in the hard times, and very happy for him from where he was. And I'm super pumped to see him. I haven't seen him in what feels to be years, but it's basically just like probably like 7 or 8 months. So I'm really looking forward to seeing him.
The next day.
So Saturday morning, a little different today though, because I am babysitting Reggie all day. He's coming to me with the gym. He's gonna hang out with Ken's dogs a little later. Hopefully they socialize well. Normal Saturday going to CSA to work out, but the only difference is I'll have little Reggie with me.
I don't know how he feels. He doesn't want to go to the bathroom. I love you. Hope you have fun today. Bye-bye. Kitty. Thank you.
The Reggie Connor adventure begins. Okay. No. So I made up the second seat for Reggie because I put a blanket there. He seems to have no interest in that spot. All right, we're on our way to CSA. I made it to the gym.
Reggie. Hello, Reg. Hello, Reg. Hi, puppy. That's one of his favorite positions, the upside down. You have a dog at home, right?
We're going to see some dogs. We're going to see some dogs. We're going to Ken's house and he's got a few dogs. You excited?
We're burning alive! New guy's in the corner puking his guts out. All because...